Right now, the U.S. is experiencing a baby formula shortage, and families across the nation are wondering what they can do to make sure their babies are getting the nutrients they need. Fox 14's Jack Kessler has more from a local health expert about ordering formula from another country.
I can't say that that's going to work for every parent, especially, down here all the way in Texas. Every parent at this point is doing what they can to feed their babies.
Assistant professor in the Department of Pediatrics at Texas Tech University Health Sciences Center, Dr. Christine Gardner, says if you can obtain formula from Canada, your baby should be fine switching.
There are some slight differences, but I would say they're not really drastic. For any normally developing healthy infant, there shouldn't be major problems or challenges there.
Dr. Gardner says the formula is regulated by Health Canada, much like here in the U.S. with the FDA, as baby formula needs to have essential proteins, vitamin, and nutritional requirements.
So infant formulas in both countries are tightly regulated.
She says what you feed your infant also depends on their age.
Infants under 6 months of age really need infant formula, whether it's regardless of what brand it is. For infants who are older than 6 months of age, they, it might, if they're in a desperate or emergency situation, it may be okay to give them cow's milk for a very short period of time. But I would say, switching back to infant formula as soon as possible is important.
Dr. Gardner adds, for any woman that is pregnant or currently breastfeeding, she strongly encourages them to continue to breastfeed or start breastfeeding once their baby is born. Now, Amazon told us in a statement that U.S.-based Amazon customers are not able to purchase baby formula products from Amazon.ca if they are sold and shipped by Amazon or sold by third-party sellers and shipped by Amazon. Live in studio, Jack Kessler, Fox 14 News. Kaylee?
Jack, thank you. According to the Associated Press, the FDA said they had reached a deal to allow Abbott Nutrition to restart its Sturgis, Michigan-based plant, but Abbott said it will take 8 to 10 weeks before new products begin arriving in stores.